everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we're going to be making a shabby rose pocket folder. This is from a printable kit in my Etsy shop, My Porch Prints on Etsy, and I've already printed out the pieces. These print double-sided using the printable papers provided, and I've cut them all out and we're ready to get started. So this is folding insert A, and what you want to do is fold it on this line, and I've already done that so that I am ready to go here. And then same thing with this one. This is insert B. It's got the striped edge here, and you want to just fold it on each of these lines as well, just like this. And once your pieces are folded, you're going to go ahead and glue them together using this stripe. Oh, and my kitty's coming to say hello, if you can hear him meowing over here. He's curious about what's going on. So yeah, you just put some glue here on this part, and we're going to go ahead and glue them together. And we want to make sure that they're lined up correctly and that this will fold when you're finished. Just like that. And then you can see these pieces are going to fold to create pockets, hence the name pocket folder. And what you want to do for these is glue them on this little side piece and the bottom, and that's it. And that's going to create a little pocket for you. Just like that. And then we're going to repeat it on the other side. And then once you've got these glued, we're going to go ahead and locate some of our pockets. This is pocket B, and it's going to go right over here in this corner, just like that. And we're going to glue along the bottom and the side here, and then this little piece right here, and we'll leave this part open for cards. There we go. And while that's drying, we're going to go ahead and turn this over. And this is the front, the part without the stripes. And that's where we're going to go ahead and locate pocket C. And this goes on here. And we're going to leave this side open with the circle cut. And we're going to glue the top, side, and bottom over here. And you want to keep your glue close to the edge to leave plenty of room for the cards that you're going to put in this pocket. There we go. It's coming together now. And then the last piece we're going to glue on the back, and that's pocket A. And again, we're going to glue just the sides and bottom and leave this part open for cards. it. That's the Shabby Rose pocket folder. And it comes with a lot of pretty little cards and ephemera pieces. And you can slip those into the pockets once they're dry. Mine aren't quite dry yet. And you've got a cute little just Shabby Rose pocket folder here. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.